In this video, we will learn how to create a free blog on Blogger step by step. So let's get started. First of all, visit blogger.com and click on create your blog. On the following page, it will ask you to add the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. Then click next. And then it will ask you to add an address. So I will add the blog address. Make sure the blog address is available. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to go next. So this is the blog address available with blogspot.com at the end. Keep in mind, you can always change and use your custom domain later. So I will just add the address and now I will click next. Now it will ask you to add your display name that will be displayed to readers at your blog. Once done, click finish. Now our blog has been created successfully. To view our blog, click view blog. So this is our blog which is currently empty. There are no posts. Now I will go back to the dashboard of the blog. First of all, to add a new post in Blogger, click new post. Add the title of the blog. Here you can add your post title. Then you can add the text in the following field. You can change the text formatting such as left to right layout, right to left layout, bold, italic, and many more. You can add an image in your post by clicking this icon. Then you can upload from your computer or from photos. To upload from computer, click upload from computer, then click browse. Select the image for your post and click open. The image was successfully added to the blog post. Now on the right sidebar, there are few post setting options such as labels. You can assign a specific label to your post. You can select the publish date for your post. You can make it automatic or schedule it for future. Then there is option to adjust the permalink. You can use the automatic one assigned by Blogger, or you can also use custom permalink. Then you can also add the post location. Finally, there is an option to allow comments, or you can hide them as well. Once done, you can preview your post. You can also save the post in draft to come later and edit it before publishing. Once you're done, click publish and confirm. The first post has been published successfully on the Blogger. Let's preview it. You can see one post was added in our blog. Now let's go back on the dashboard and explore more settings such as theme option. You can change the theme of your blog by clicking on theme. Then this is our current theme. There are few settings. If you click on the drop down icon, you can backup, you can restore, you can switch to first generation classic blogs. You can also edit the HTML. You can customize the blog as well. There are a bunch of templates available. You can choose any of the available blogs. So I will apply the following blog. You can first preview, then apply it. So I will apply it. The new theme was successfully applied. You can customize the theme by clicking customize button. Then you can adjust the theme accordingly, such as you can change the image or even remove the image. Then you can change main theme color. There is an option for the gadgets as well. So this is how you can customize your theme. Now to view the states, click on states. Here you will be able to see all your blog states in one glance. If you go into the comments, you will be able to view the reader comments. In the earnings section, you can monetize your blog. Then if you click on pages, you can create your pages for the blog. And if you click on the layout, here you will be able to see the current theme layout. You can edit each element on it. For the example, I will edit the sidebar. It has about me section. I will edit it and I will hide it. So click save. Now our about me section will be hidden from the sidebar. So this is how you can adjust the layout elements. Finally, there is a setting option. In the settings of Blogger, you can edit your blog title, add description. You can change blog language. You can mark your content rating. You can adjust the favicon, and there are a bunch of other options to explore as well. So this is it, and this is how you can use Blogger to create and use your blog on Blogger. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.